Come test drive the 2016 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.